Liquidity is the degree to which an asset can be quickly converted to cash with little or no loss in value, and determines how accessible your money is. Of course, cash is the most liquid and can be accessed immediately. Generally, the less liquid an asset is, the more its value will grow over time because of the increased risk associated. But on the other hand, we may need access to funds quickly. For example, if our house is the only asset we have but we need money for an emergency, it may be difficult to quickly access these funds in time. This is why having an emergency fund in cash or relatively liquid assets is so important. We will discuss this further in the savings and emergency fund section in this course. The important consideration here is maintaining suitable amounts of liquidity for situations where we may need it, and not having too much liquidity to impede our ability to gain high enough rates of return to grow our wealth over time.